Okay, so I finished the installation on my Grizzly G1023RLW. Got the Shopfox mobile base on here. This thing is pretty tough. I tell you, it's really nice. Just barely fits in my little garage, but it fits in here good. I don't have the outfeed table on here yet. I'll take another little quick video of that. But right now I'm going to do the nickel test. I guess it shows you how quiet and how much it doesn't vibrate. It was kind of rough getting them nickels to stand up. So let's see if they stay up. Not even a little vibration. Wow, this thing is awesome. And if you can hear it, it's really quiet. It's not loud at all. This is awesome. All right, I'll do one more video when I get the yeah, see it around. When I get the outfeed table put together.